Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and today we're going to review the account of Fulbert. Fulbert joined our funded trader program last August on the 4th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 24th of November. First of all, congratulations Fulbert on your first target, and let's now have a look at your path with us. So, we can see from the equity line that there have been few ups and downs, especially in the end of the journey. So we can see how here in the beginning he didn't have a good start, but then he recovered almost straight away, and in fact by the end of August it was up 1.76% on his account. Then something happened, he went back to the initial account balance, and then he started to recover again, we can see here by the 22nd of September he was up by 4% on his account. Here just 1 month after, on the 20th of October, it was up by 6.14% on his account, and then I think here on the 12th of November it was quite close to his target, because it was up 8%. Then something happened and he went back to a positive 4% on his account on the 18th of November, and then from then up to the 24th it was basically just one way up to his first 10% target. Let's have a look at the statistics. So we have an average daily return of 0.09%, a monthly return on average of 2.62%, and a drawdown of floating drawdown of only 3.32%, which is very good to mention actually. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 293 positions opened. Let's have a look at the profitability rate is 66%, which is good, and an average win of almost 13 pips, with an average loss of almost 19 pips. But since his profitability rate is quite good, he still managed to be profitable over time. Regarding his best trade and worst trade, let's have a look. So in terms of dollars, we can see his best trade was on the 19th of November. He gained $212, but just the day before he lost on the 18th of November $362. From the pips side, we can see on October the 1st he gained 65 pips, and on the 6th of August, so just as soon as he joined basically, he lost 88 pips on his account. So look at the summary to see if he focused on some pairs more than others. So we can see position opened throughout the Forex market, throughout the currency pairs. And what can we highlight? Well, of course, here we have 20 position opened on the Euro-Aussie. He gained 178 pips, resulting in $364. Also here we can see 188 pips gained on the 50 position he opened on the pound dollar, and he gained on those $647. Good result also here. 40 pips gained on the 28 position opened on the dollar Swiss franc. He realized $400 on this pair. Very good. Let's also have a look at the negative side though, and we can see here 13 losing trades on the euro pound. He lost just 33 pips, but resulting in $408. And here 67 pips lost on the 6th position on the New Zealand dollar, where he lost $315. But let's have a look at the monthly analytics to see how his performance changed over time. So We can see a negative performance here when he first joined in August. He was down by by 0.87%. A good September for him. He was up 4.62%. Then his performances went back on October. It was still up, but only by 0.45%, and definitely a good November when he managed to hit his target, gaining the remaining 6.02% on the account. Good. Let's have a look at the duration of his trades. So we can see how the majority of his positions were held for less than 17 hours. In fact, if we have a look at the average trade length, it's just 4 hours and 33 minutes. So we can see actually just few other positions if we compare that with the total of trades he opened that were held for longer than 17 hours, so longer than 1 day, and at maximum 2 days. Now, the thing I want to highlight here is that unfortunately Fulbert held for longer, maybe too many losing positions, but of course, eventually he still managed to be profitable, so that's completely fine. That might be just an advice for next time, basically. Okay, Fulbert, very well done. Congratulations on your first target, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.